Okay, hands up. If you're tired of that daily hair battle, you know, the one where you're rushing in the morning, trying to blast your hair dry, but you end up with frizz, heat damage, and still damp roots? Or maybe you've got those cheaper models that just give up on you, smoke a little, then die a painful death after a few months. It's not just annoying, it's a real-time suck, and it's terrible for your hair's health. That's why I had to talk about this. Seriously, meet the game changer, the Airlight Pro. This isn't just another hairdryer, it's a whole new level. We're talking next-gen tech that completely rethinks how you dry your hair. The secret sauce here is the augmented infrared light technology. Instead of just blowing harsh, hot air that can literally cook your hair cuticles, this thing uses infrared to gently dry your hair from the inside out. That means it's ridiculously fast, cutting down your drying time significantly. But here's the kicker. It does it without any damage. I've tested it on everything from fine, delicate strands to super thick, coily hair, and the results are consistently stunning. Smooth, shiny, healthy-looking hair every single time. No more fried ends, no more endless styling. You actually finish with hair that feels better than when you started. I linked the exact model below to save you from scrolling through a million knockoffs, by the way. Now, I know some of those flimsy, loud alternatives can be tempting with their price tag. But how many of those have you gone through? How much time have you wasted trying to fix the damage they cause? The Airlight Pro is an investment. Absolutely. But it's an investment in your mornings, your hair's health, and honestly, your peace of mind. It's built to last, performs flawlessly, and delivers salon-quality results right in your bathroom. If you're serious about cutting down your routine and treating your hair right, then yes, this is absolutely worth every single penny. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.